Yards and gardens brimming with verdant foliage and vibrant flowers are a sight to behold in the spring and summer. Guess again if you've ever thought your yard couldn't support such lovely plants because of its dryness, shade, or sandy soil. You can still create a breathtaking backyard in a dry, low-light area by purchasing these hard-to-kill plants from any number of garden retailers or nurseries. Number 1. Caladium. The large, attractive leaves of Caladium will add a tropical flair to any shady backyard. The arrowhead-shaped leaves of this plant come in a variety of colors, including white, pink, and red, allowing you to easily match it with other plants in your yard. In the shade, the white types look like they're glowing, which is especially cool around sunset. You have the option of treating Caladium as an annual and keeping it in the ground all year round, or you can remove it and put it somewhere cool to keep it alive throughout the winter. Number 2. Persian Shield. The Persian Shield is an ideal plant if you want a hardy plant that will do well in any climate, whether you're planting in a sunny spot or partial shade, or even in a pot. We suggest taking this tropical plant inside for the winter and placing it in a light spot if you're feeling daring, or you may treat it like an annual. Number 3. First Frost Hosta. Hostas are unique among garden plants in that they can thrive in partially shaded and arid conditions. Hostas, which may grow to be 16 inches tall and 30 inches broad, are great for filling in spaces in gardens that don't get a lot of light. Actually, the majority of hostas do best in partial shade, and the darker the foliage, the better the odds of success in low light. Number 4. Ajuga. If you want to hide weeds and add color to your shaded backyard, this weed-smothering ground cover is a fantastic choice. In April, it produces spikes of lovely blue-purple flowers, and throughout the gardening season, it provides a mat of thick foliage. On top of that, Ajuga returns year after year, so planting it is like planting a seed that will keep on giving. Number 5. Oakleaf Hydrangea. These plants will probably do just well even if you hide them under a conifer or put them in the darkest part of your yard. This shrub is perfect for the front yard thanks to its enormous cone-shaped flowers and bold, textured foliage. These plants start blooming in mid-June, and they bloom well into the summer when a lot of other shrubs aren't. Number 6. Agave. Plants that do well in shadow might be just as challenging to come across as those that do well in bright, dry areas of your yard. As a low-water succulent that adds visual interest to any setting, the agave is a popular choice for regions prone to drought. To enhance the visual appeal, try to find two-tone leaves with unique colors, including those with a deep green center and yellow edges. Number 7. Armeria. The low-growing Armeria is an excellent choice for seashore gardens since it can withstand sandy soil, salt sprays, and not-so-gentle seaside breezes. This ground-hugging plant appears to hide from the wind in places where it's quite windy, as it only grows 6 to 10 inches tall. Number 8. Dianthus. You might be able to detect the aroma of Dianthus before you even lay eyes on it. The blooming season of Dianthus can vary from one variety to another. One such variety, Kahori, begins in the spring and lasts well into summer. The annual Dianthus is a great choice for garden beds or container gardens due to its showy blue-green foliage, as well as its magnificent blossoms. Number 9. Threadleaf Tickseed. Planting this flowering plant will quickly become your go-to type if you want to attract winged beauties to your yard. If you deadhead the wasted blossoms, the brilliant golden flowers will keep blooming all the way into the fall, after a month of blooming in June and July. Because its flowers aren't fussy about getting a little snip here and there, this plant is perfect for a cutting garden. Number 10. Lilac Sage. Sandier, well-drained soil is usually sufficient for these flowers. With a rather lengthy bloom period, your garden will be illuminated for months, and you may even prolong the season by deadheading spent blooms.
Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.